On the 3.5 quiz, linking verbs, and you understood, you need to use this handout. And you can use it while you're taking the quiz. 3 times you are going to be asked to write a sentence. A complete sentence with a linking verb will have one of these words in it. But you have to be careful because when you write a linking verb, you're basically going to say that one thing is another thing. You're going to mean that it is equal. It's pretty much renaming a person, a place, or a thing with a different word, like Mrs. Beaulieu is, here's my linking verb, is a teacher. So Mrs. Beaulieu is the subject, the verb is, and I'm going to say, does it make sense if I say Mrs. B equals a teacher? Yes, it does make sense. There's no action with a linking verb. I could also say Mrs. B is mean, which I hope you don't say, but in this way, you would be describing Mrs. B. Okay, so pretty much they're equal. Now, you can use a word, one of those words. You could use I am something, you are something, he was something, but you want to make sure that it's not an action. For instance, if you used a sensing word, you could say, I feel sad. That's the same, whoops, automatic F, capitalize that. I feel sad is acting like a linking verb because you could say, I am sad, and it makes sense. So that would be an instance of a linking verb. But if I said, I feel a thorn in my foot, then it turns into an action verb. It's no longer linking because I can't say I am a thorn. I could say I am touching a thorn. So you have to be careful with the words. And all those sensing words over here have that same issue. You could say, you look sharp today. And that would be linking, you are sharp. But if you said, you are looking at a picture, then it becomes an action verb. Okay, so just be careful, but use one of these words and you're great. Make sure that you capitalize, that you check it for spelling. You can check right here. Use those tools because I will take off at least half credit if it's not a complete sentence. Okay, so an action verb is just the opposite. You want to make sure that you can visualize somebody doing something, like a physical thing. And that's easy. I'm going to let you figure that one out. Now, with this, you understood simply means that you are giving an order. You are telling someone to do something. Make it short. Listen. Answer me. Whoops, make sure you capitalize. Eat your breakfast. There's no subject written out. It is implied or understood that I am telling you, you listen, you answer me, you eat your dinner, you hurry up. But don't write the word out where it's understood. We just want it to be a simple, easy order. Hope this was helpful.